Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if we look back at 2023 for Windows 11, there were 3 moments that were released. Moment 2, 3, and 4. Moments are packages of new features. The first one we're going to talk about in this video, of course, arrived in March of 2023. And Moment 2 brought with it a few things that are of interest in it. Now, one of the first things is a more customizable search here. You could have a search with a Bing search or so on. So in the different settings of the taskbar, this was enabled or disabled depending on what you actually were doing. I disabled everything pretty much, but you could have a search icon that has a little Bing logo or any type of logo here that has to do with Bing, of course, Bing Access and so on. There was the ability to now link your iPhone with the phone link. Phone link was not really very good with iPhones and iOS in general. Now, it's not as good as the one on Android because of limitations in how Apple lets users or lets external software use the phone. But, you could, of course, use now your iPhone with the phone link if you wish to. So that was one of the other effects. If you had the capability, if you had a dedicated neural processing units in your system, and not a lot of PCs have them, there are a couple of Surface devices that do. There was the ability to have studio effects during videos, which of course use the power of the NPU. So that was another thing in the settings. The Task Manager, of course, had quite a few little changes, including the ability to search for a specific task in the taskbar. So this was something that was very cool. That was added in the changes, of course, that the Task Manager also operated through the fact that it changed in Windows 11 also through time. The taskbar is now better suited for any tablet type PC, so you should have at least better use. I'll say it and say it again. Windows 8 probably was the best operating system for a tablet. It definitely wasn't for a desktop or for a laptop, a standard laptop, but anybody that had a tablet PC, that was the great operating system for it. And when they kind of rolled to Windows 10 and 11, a lot of tablet users unfortunately lost what was one of the best Windows tablet PCs that could exist. Of course, the Notepad had new features. Notepad, of course, that we talked about, that in the Insiders is getting a feature for new characters. But Moment 2 brought tabs to the Notepad, which wasn't there before. So this is improvements that happened there for sure. The snipping tool also added a new screen recorder. So now not only could you take screenshots, you can also take some screen recording, which wasn't there before. There was an update in the widgets and the way that it works. Pretty much nobody uses the widgets anyways, and it's probably something that doesn't impact a lot of people for that. So these are some of the new things. There was a new way to redesign the accessibility of the start menu. A little more options on how to divide and how to place the different options of the start menu, the different icons and so on. But, still not customizable enough, basically. That's for sure. And a lot of other little things that are here and there within Moment 2 that were introduced at the beginning of the year. And once again, what's sad with these moments is that instead of rolling things out to everybody at the same time, it took a long time for a lot of people to get some of these features or finally get all of the features in Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.